Welcome back to Niecy's Custom. Today we're going to be doing a Hog Sublimate 22-ounce fatty tumbler. So let us begin. Now we are going to start doing the 22-ounce fatty tumblers, the Hog fatty tumblers. As you can see, I already have my layout, and we're going to use the 13 by 19 paper because the Hoagie fatties, they're huge. Okay, and we're going to do the landscape, and I already have my template right here. I already changed the colors. So with this, I'm gonna go ahead and change the size of my paper, but of my template. Go ahead and change that. My computer got a slight delay. It's driving me crazy. So the width of it, we're gonna do 7.6. I always get this confused, and we're gonna do 11. No, that is totally wrong. The width 11, 7.6. Okay, there it goes. And remember, the paper size that we're using is a 13 by 19. Okay, but I think I'm gonna make it a little bigger just to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna go here and get my image. Then I'm going to use this one. Any day now. Okay, you're gonna shrink this so I can fit it. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. The reason why I'm not gonna make it any bigger because I want to put a name on it. A name is going on it. Courtney. And I'm gonna change this color. You know how to, you use your colors on here. Like I'm gonna use that pink. So when I change the color on Courtney, I'm gonna go ahead and get that I don't know what's that called. I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab that paint. Change that. Go ahead and change it. And let me change my font. I like that. That's pretty. And I'm going to put it right here. Let me move this up a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit. I'm going to move that. Okay. Courtney, it's fine like that. So I'm going to group this all together. So when I move it, and I can do 2 tumblers on this same paper, this same 13 by 19 paper. Make sure that's, oh, okay. Then I'm going to duplicate this, move it over here, and I'm going to just ungroup it. Take that off. Take her name off. Like that. And I'm going to go get another image and put on there. I think I'm going to use this one. And I got to make it smaller. Okay. And I want to flip that. And just put that right there. Okay. So now that I have my two images, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to print it. Make sure I go to preference. Make sure you want to go to preference and hit the larger paper. Make sure you change that to landscape and make sure your images mirror. And I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. I'm going to go ahead and hit print. And when I come back, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it out and I'm going to put it on the tumbler. I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. I haven't talked to y'all in so long. Well, let me tell you what I'm going through for the last couple of weeks. While I get this tumbler. This is the fatty 22-ounce tumbler. See how big it is? This is the fatty. The hog tumblers. Remember all those tumblers that I got? I'm finally getting the chance to do one of them. Finally. Well, with me, the reason why y'all didn't hear anything from me, because I had a lot of stuff going on with my mother. And, you know, her health issues and stuff like that. Then, last week, well, not last Friday, but the Friday before that, my uncle passed away unexpectedly. It was a shock to everyone. I mean, when I say a shock to everyone, especially a shock to me, because he was more like a father figure to me. We found him in the house deceased. So just imagine how I felt for the last couple of, days or a week. And since my mama usually take care of all, like, everything in the family, like making sure that, the obituary is written out right, and so on and so on. Because, his wife passed away a couple of years ago from of cancer. So it was basically just him staying in the house by himself. But, I used to call and check on him. And he used to call and check on me every single day. Well, he passed away suddenly. And it was just a shock to my whole family. Especially a shock to me because he always said that I was like a daughter to him. Well, other than that, well, my mother, she usually take care of everything in the house. She was the go-to person. But guess who's the go-to person now? Moi. So I had to basically help his stepson, I had to write the obituary and make sure that the order of service was, you know, good for my uncle homecoming, and so on. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just putting the image on the mug like that, and I'm gonna bring it over like that. Now remember, you have to pull it. You have to pull it tight. You have to pull it tight. And I'm gonna have all this measurements in the description box, so don't worry, it'll be right in there. You want to make sure that it's on there good, so it won't slide off or anything like that. Well, back to my uncle, and it still don't feel real. It really don't. It don't even feel real. Like he's gone, but he's gone. I just couldn't believe it. And I'm just putting some more tape across here. Okay. So since we got that tape down on the mug, we're gonna get our shrink wrap. I decided not to use the masking tape anymore because that masking tape, when you heat it up, it gets real sticky, and I don't like that. I really don't like that. So I just use the shrink wrap. It's easy. Okay. Once I put the shrink wrap on it, I'm just going to fold it because I got it too big. So I'm going to fold it like that. Like so. And I'm going to tape this right here down. So I hope everybody had... Okay, when the last time I talked to you? To my family. Let me see. Did I talk to you Mother's Day? Well, if I didn't, I hope everybody had... I hope all the mothers had a great Mother's Day. Now Father's Day is coming up. Anybody starting to take some orders for Father's Day gifts? Because right now is the time to get the orders ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up. We'll shrink it. I do the top and the bottom first. Then I go and I shrink the sides. I just do that to make sure that the image don't move. Okay. Now since I got that shrink, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven and move this up. So I hope everybody had a nice Memorial weekend. Only thing I basically did, I didn't do nothing because I had a long week, you know, with the home going of my uncle and all my relatives and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this in the oven and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and it's done. I'll go ahead and cut it. Push the camera down some. Go ahead and cut it. It really didn't come out right. That's how it came out. I don't think I put it in there long enough. can't hold it good because it's hot. So this how it came out. You can tell it didn't come out right. Guess what? I'm gonna do it over again. That's how you learn. That's exactly how you learn. If it don't come out right, you do it over again until you get it right. Put this in the trash. I don't think I let it stay in there long enough, but we're gonna do it again. So look for a second video. And I know I keep saying, yeah, I'm gonna do a video, I'm gonna do a video on this, I'm gonna do a video on that, but I had so much going on. Look for a second video tomorrow, probably. Well, I'm gonna make it tomorrow, then I'm gonna post it the following day. So I don't know why I don't lift this up. It didn't come out right. So back to the drawing board. Practice, practice, practice. If you want to be the best, you got to practice on it. That's what my grandma always tell me. So make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the share button, and leave a comment below. Okay? Other than that, God loves you and I love you too. Peace.